The wiper blades on my BMW i8 never work correctly, so let's fix that and replace the wiper blades. As you can see, the driver's side wiper only goes to this location and they're horribly squeaky. So let's fix it so it goes all the way to the left here, and obviously replace the wiper blades after that. So we need to pop the hood and reposition the wipers. To replace the wipers or do any work on the wipers, we have to put them in the service position, and that's easily done by starting the car, then turning the car off, or just going to the accessory mode, and then pressing and holding the wiper stock all the way up for about 3 seconds. And that will make them go and stay in this position. On this BMW i8, the hood is not technically supposed to be accessed by normal people, so you have this service pull plug thing. So you can put the hood in the service position by pulling the plug on the left side of the car, as well as the right side of the car. And now I can lift it and secure it in place right here on the hinges, just like that. To reposition the wiper, I'm gonna unscrew this nut right here. Well, it's very loose. Now this should pop off with a little wiggle. Gonna put the windshield wiper in this position right there and put it back down like that, and tighten it. Put this cap back on. Let's go to the other side. Same thing on this side. Once again, very loose. A little concerning. I believe it should be about here. All right, let's test it out. That might have been a bit of an overkill, so I'm going to adjust them again. Okay, let's try that. The passenger side wiper is perfect now, so we're going to leave that as is. Now we just need to adjust this one. I think it should end up probably about here. Another quick test. I think that's pretty good. Now I can put the hood back down. With the wipers in the service position, it's super easy to change them. Unfortunately, I got the wrong size. This is 21 inches and the passenger side is supposed to be 24. The driver's side is 28 inches. So I'll put this on for now, and then I'll get the proper one in the next couple of days and replace it again. But all you're gonna do is lift it up like this, twist it so it's perpendicular, take it off, be very careful so this doesn't swing back, slide the new one in, and that's it, you put it back. Exactly the same on the driver's side. Lift it up, swing, pull out, slide the new one in, put it back, remove the protective plastic, and done. Let's see if they work any better. Working perfectly, nice and quiet. Like I said, this one's a little short, so we're gonna have to replace that, but otherwise, that's how you do it. And that's pretty much it. I hope this video has helped you reposition your windshield wipers if needed, and if not, well, at least you know the service mode now, so you can replace those wiper blades very easily without damaging the windshield or the hood or the paint on your car or anything like that. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.